SEO Overview – Keywords. Before you delve into the nitty-gritty of SEO, you must have a solid knowledge of your target market. This is where keyword research comes into play. Those things that we Google are the keywords, and these keywords are what determine the success of your SEO strategy. There are billions of searches done every day online. Whether your search engine of choice is Google or Yahoo or Bing, there are plenty of searches for plenty of things. Your task is to identify which keywords will suit your market and whether these keywords are viable for your business. This is what we determine to be our target keywords. Google has a tool for its advertising partners called the Google Keyword Tool. Longtail keywords are keywords that have 3, 4, or 5 word keywords. These are so-called long tail because, frankly, it takes a long time to type these keywords into the search engines. Actually, long-tail keywords are more specific to niches. Niches, and in particular keyword niches, are a group of keywords containing a single seed keyword. Once again, proper keyword research is the key to discovering these hidden gold mines of SEO traffic.